In this video, I'll detail how to turn off zoom on Apple Watch Series 9. So there are two ways to turn off zoom on your Apple Watch Series 9. You can turn off directly from the Apple Watch screen or go to the app settings to turn off the zoom on your Apple Watch. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The fastest way to turn off or disable zoom on Apple Watch Series 9 is while on the zoom face, just double tap with two fingers, and that's going to turn off the zoom. Is that? If you double tap again, it's going to turn on zoom. Now to turn off zoom completely on your iPhone, all you just need to do is press the digital crown once, then rotate the digital crown to go to the app settings. So like this. Then once you find the app settings, click on it. Now you'll be taken to your Apple Watch settings. On settings page, just scroll down and go to accessibility. So just keep scrolling gently until you get to accessibility. Then once you can see accessibility here, click on it. Then rotate the digital crown as well, like this. And then click on zoom. Then once you click on zoom, use the digital crown as well to rotate the screen, like this. Then turn off zoom. That's it. So that's how you can easily turn off zoom on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.